it's Series Live and Starlight Rocks, and today we're here at the Euroblast Festival with Frontier. So, hey guys, how are you?
Good. How are you?
Good? Cool. Is it your first time here at the Euroblast Festival?
Yep.
Yeah, really?
How was your last year? So, different with a different band.
Oh, cool.
Yes.
Which band?
Dark Orbit. So.
Yeah. Do you like it to be here, to play on the stage and stuff?
Amazing stage. It's a really nice big stage.
Yeah, it's good.
Was it hot there? I think so, right?
Hot.
Hot, yeah, hot.
Cooler than every other night we played though, realistically. Yesterday was still sweating.
I was stood next to a fan and I kept standing right by the fan.
Cool. I've heard that you, Ped, got in contact with your chat per MySpace, right?
You know?
Oh, me and Chad?
Yeah.
MySpace.
How did it come to this? Why you just got contact by on MySpace and stuff?
He wanted to do, Chad wanted to do vocals for my other band section, and I was like, no, because you live miles away in America.
Rejected.
And yeah, here he is today with this band. So I sort of seen that as being a touring band locally, like local people.
Yeah.
And then me and Chad just decided to write some music. We wrote a track, and then we wrote an EP, and then we wrote an album.
You guys are living in different countries, like what? Yeah. Touring can be very stressful. Under the circumstances of you guys, I think it's quite complicated to make a tour, right?
Yeah.
How do we manage this to make this like you're playing?
This guy right here.
Yeah, logistics is an absolute nightmare with this band. So we have to plan everything like 6 to 8 months, a year in advance if possible. But yeah, it's just making sure that everything we do circulates around a big event. So before it was Tech Fest, and then it was Arctangent, and then we did this, and there's like a Euro run and a UK run around this.
We did Complexity Fest.
And Complexity Fest, in Holland. And so everything we do, for us basically, it needs to be worthwhile to get everyone together and pay the money that we need to be in the same place. So the festivals make it worthwhile because we can play in front of 500 to 2,000 people at a time. And then everything around that means that we can make money on merch and stuff.
Cool. For someone who doesn't know your bands, how would you describe your style?
Heavy.
Heavy, okay, cool.
Yeah, to the point.
Chaotic,
Yeah. You guys were crazy on the stage. I loved it, really. It was amazing.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Appreciate it.
Okay, so let's talk about something very, very seriously right now. So be prepared. What was your first album you ever bought?
Yours was like Hybrid Theory, right?
No, first album I ever owned was first album I bought myself was International Supergrace by Green Day. Still
Really?
amazing. First album I ever owned was Big Willie Style by Will Smith. Also an amazing album.
Oh, so good.
Mine would have been like, now that's what I call music 40, because I didn't have any interest in music at all. I used to just listen to the same track from like compilation CDs all the time, and then saw everybody wearing Slipknot and Korn hoodies at school. So I was like, why is everybody wearing these hoodies? So I went home, went on Kazaa, LimeWire, and downloaded a lot of albums. And I just sat there being like, oh, that was pretty cool. So yeah, now that's what I call music.
Album-wise, I don't remember because cassettes. I'm a little older, so cassettes were a huge thing. I'm old, but the first CD though was Led Zeppelin 4. That was my first CD that I ever bought. Yeah.
The first CD, this is funny because I had a cassette, the first cassette, so me and Chad are a bit older.
Yes.
So the first cassette that I really listened to that I thought I kind of owned, I actually ended up buying this cassette, was Michael Jackson's History Part 1 and Part 2. You flip the side over and get Part 2 of the tape. It was amazing. And then the album that I bought, I guess, like after that CD wise, would have been like Offspring or Green Day as well.
It's awesome.
Do you still hear that music, a kind of punk, rock and stuff, or what kind of music do you listen in your free time?
loads of different stuff.
Different stuff, yeah.
Like we can't really come on stage and play that and watch metal bands and then go away during the day on tour and keep listening to metal and drive it mad. I listen to a lot of hip hop in my spare time now.
Lots of stuff, a lot of space rock. That's what I want to do. But I listen to louder stuff before I do any writing, so I write heavier stuff. That's the trick, But I listen to heavy stuff too. But I mean, I need a balance. But
mixed playlist, really. Some heavy tracks from favorite metal bands, and then mixed up with like some breakbeat, jungle, D&B, everything really. Just absolute mix.
Yeah, I like extremes in music, so I like really sparse electronic music, or like extreme metal, or if it's even dance music, like just extremes in all of those directions. I really don't like boring, straightforward. So
extreme dance.
I'm extreme. The most straight-laced guy ever, but loves extreme music.
You published your last album in 2015, Orange Mathematics, right? When can your fans expect a new one, album? Okay, good.
Nah, we were chatting about that. Probably August next year or something. It's like, yeah, I think so. Cool. We'll just say, we'll let you know soon.
Maybe I would buy it.
Please do. You can pirate it if you want. It'll be free anyway. It'll be free download, so it's all good.
Frontier exists for several years and passed through many different situations. What is the best thing you experienced and what the worst?
Like in the context of a band or like?
Yeah, in the context of a band.
Okay, you start.
So what's things happened in the band so far? I mean, actually, tonight's show was on stage the most stressful experience I think we've had, because there were 2 string breaks, feedback from the mic the whole time. I couldn't hear my guitar. There's lots of things, samples went when they shouldn't have. But it was an amazing experience. But it's just for us, it was like a lot of like trying to not let other people see that. So that was relatively stressful.
I haven't seen it.
I'm glad we did our jobs well. So I think that was
tonight. This is I think it's one of the best things we've done. Coming, rocking up here and playing on the same stage as Carbon and Devin Townsend and chanting to the guys and playing the stage that size. Despite the technical issues, I think this is one of the best things we've done.
Yeah. Oh, we actually last tour we got stopped in France and Chad nearly never got let into the UK. That was really
that was probably the worst.
I got one. Was like
illegal Chad.
It happens. Didn't have the right paperwork, so I have it now. That's good.
we talked it out. We managed.
Yeah, we did. Yeah, it was nice.
Maybe he's got that cap.
That's why you got a haircut.
Cut the hair.
I keep talking why you got a haircut.
Incognito.
Worst moment.
I think the best moment for us is just this getting together, like being able to compile this band. That's the best moment.
Worst moment is not knowing when we are next going to do this.
Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah,
I keep on the camera. Because that's a point of discussion as well. Like we don't know when we are gonna next play. Like it's it's not like we're on a label or anything like that. We don't have anybody like forcing us to do stuff. It's just on our own accord, and it'll depend on like the next record. If the next record is doesn't go as well as this, then if it's not financially viable, then who knows?
You make your PR and also merchandise by yourself, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. How do you manage this? I don't know. How did it come to this that you say, okay, let's do our merchandise by yourself and not by someone else?
Because why should anybody else take
A cut.
Yeah, totally. It's a lot easier to kind of control it. It means you can make more money. You get more say over the designs. You can tell how much you want to like print from it. Like there's so much more control with it.
You can balance your own life around it. Like if you've got other stuff on as well, you can. Your hand's not forced in any particular way, both creatively and logistically or financially. And you mentioned PR stuff as well. Right? So like that's all been forum culture for the past like 7 to 10 years for me. Gear forums, knowing where to post, having like a 4 or 5 A4 sheets of like just places where I like to post my music when it's new and see how it goes. So again, it's all independent.
Yeah. Okay. If you would get one wish from a genie,
from a genie,
what would you wish?
Can I rub the lamp?
guess the typical answer is endless.
Yeah, that's wishes.
Chad, can you move to the UK?
That would be closer. That would be. That would be perfect.
Sweet.
Yeah.
We can all become shredded and just it'd be great. Like it'd be absolutely brilliant.
That would be a good wish. Be closer. Yeah, for sure. That makes it easier.
Calvin?
Depends, are we getting this wish collectively or individually? Is this to do with the band or is it in general?
I think
In general, like, you're a selfish dick if you don't wish for like, world peace or something.
I'm a selfish dick. I want endless wishes. Just me.
And memes. Right, next, sorry, I apologize. I'm too stupid now.
So we are a magazine that exists for 1 year, and every time when we make an interview, we will bring a little present for our interview partners. This is a Starlight box shirt that we wear every time when we make an interview or go to concert and stuff. So here you are.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate it.
Close
We
for
just-
tomorrow's show. Yes.
Yeah, we just have one, so you must share it.
We all work at the same time. That's
Yeah,
pretty
we don't have enough shows left, otherwise we could have all worn it every night. Thank you very much.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Alice, do you want to say anything to your fans?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks,
Yeah.
just thanks so much. It's impossible without the people that want to listen to it and see it and pay to come and see us, and it makes it all happen. So thank you.
Donate just £2 a month. And Dan could live a stress-free life.
Let someone else do it.
Okay. Thank you very much for this nice little talk. Really, it was amazing.
Thank you very much. Cheers.
Maybe see you soon somewhere, I don't know, maybe on another show and stuff like
Well,
that.
hopefully next. Like, we're talking about August or tentatively like giving ourselves a target. So maybe we can be back in Germany next August. So
Yeah.
I'd love to play like Berlin and stuff. And Dan, we've got some contacts down kind of studio. So maybe next year we can kind of do some shows in Germany. Cool.
Yeah,
Alright,
thank
thanks
you.
so much.
Let us all be with you. So, okay. That's it. Woohoo!